I can help you. I think I know how to pick all these up. Do you want to help me work on a project? All right, let's go do this. Hey everybody, I'm here with my daughter Penelope, and we want to show you how to make an electromagnet with using a battery, wire strippers, a nail, and just a regular wire. So if you don't have a magnet nearby, or even a strong one,
I have to show you magic circles.
So these are the nails and screws and little tiny pieces of metal that we're going to show you that we can pick up. You want to show them how to do this? All right. So first, you need to get a nice long copper wire, preferably. Okay, so you're going to use your wire strippers.
Okay, I'll see the wire strippers.
Yep, and you're going to take them into the smallest hole, or the one that works on the right thing, and you're going to push the wire off of it.
Okay.
Do you want to try it?
Uh-huh.
All right. Squeeze it like this, and then you're going to push. Great job.
Let me try.
Okay. So once you get the whole wire exposed, you can take your nail and you're going to leave a little bit open up on the edge of it. Okay, so start somewhere in the middle, about here. Okay, and then you're going to start wrapping it around it like this.
How to do cardinal numbers this? I'm careless.
Like that. Keep it wrapping it like that. So after we have all the wire wrapped around the nail, you want to leave one side sticking up over here and one side sticking up over here. Now we have to get the negative and the positive side onto the battery. So we have to attach this side here to the negative side, and then this side to the positive side. And then we're going to tape it. Okay, let me show you what it's going to do after we tape it on there, okay? All right, so you can use any kind of tape. I have painter's tape, so the tape I have is a little bit wide, so I just have to make do with what I have. And I'm going to rip it down the middle, because it doesn't have to be that thick. Put it lower. Hold it right here. See, take a look. We have copper wire wrapped around the battery. One side goes to the negative side and one goes to the positive side. Check it out. How did that happen? Well, this creates an electromagnet. There is a field that is created, a positive and a negative side, just like the Earth. The Earth has the North Pole and the South Pole. Those are positive and negative. That's why a compass always goes to the north. It's a field that is surrounding the Earth, just like this is. And it protects us from the sun's solar flares and energy. A battery, a nail, and a wire make an electromagnet, just like the Earth does. Pretty cool, huh? So this is April vacation. You guys don't have to do any work. I just want you guys to see this. And if you want to try to make your own magnet and send me a picture or video, I would love that. But if you ever are in need of a magnet and you have a wire, a nail, and a battery and some tape around, you make your own magnet. Pretty cool, huh? All right, guys, enjoy. We'll see you soon.